Any other questions?
Well, my keys to my truck are in my coat pocket. And, no, I'm good. You ready? There's no damage to the sausage at all that I see. It didn't even break the casing. How's that possible? I mean, it had to have touched the blade, right?
That's a little bit that it has to touch the blade for it to go ahead and release it, so it goes on there quickly.
It was so quick it didn't even cut into the casing.
Right.
Holy moly! You're gonna bleep that out, right?
Yeah.
Bonk, bonk, bonk.
Well, the outside of the case.
And that was fast.
That's it right
I think so.
Or is it there?
I think that's it.
That's it. Yep, that's it.
Yeah. Still.
That's amazing.
And you
That
can
is
see
super
that was
cool.
at normal cutting speed.